safe, durable, lightweight travel pod for infants. Breathable mesh panels, removable and locking steel frame provide comfort and security. Folds flat for storage and weighs less than 3 pounds. For easy transport. Assembled dimensions: 30 inches by 21.25 inches by 11.75. Discontinue use once infant begins to push up on hands and knees or has reached 15 pounds. Care and cleaning: spot or wipe clean. Sheets are machine washable. Maximum weight: 15 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. I bought this for my 2 little Pomeranians since they love to sleep in the bed with me, and this way I don't worry about rolling over on one of them. They only weigh 3 pounds. And 4 pounds. They love it. I put their doggy bed inside the bassinet with their blanket and they sleep so good in it. It helps keep them secure at night. It's very easy to fold and carry anywhere. Comes with a pad and cover.